Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new recipe. So today we are going to make an easy chicken chukka recipe. Now this is a very good dinner or lunch option, and the main part is it's very easy to prepare, very few ingredients, and the taste is not compromised. The ingredients list is given below. Do subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Let's jump into the video. So we need to prepare two marinades for this chicken. One is ginger, garlic, small onion and green chilies. We'll just crush that and take it and keep it aside. The other masala is coriander seeds, black peppercorns, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, star anise, cloves and some Kashmiri red chilli. You can also use red chilli powder if you don't have the red chilli available with you. Let's make a paste out of this. So I've got the chicken cleaned and I've marinated with some turmeric and salt and kept it aside. Now I've got the paste ready. One is a powder, one is a paste. So I've crushed the onion, the small onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. We are going to add that first into the chicken. And then nicely coat the chicken with the mixture. Next in goes the powder, that is coriander, black pepper, etc., which we have powdered. I'd added a little bit of salt to this before grinding it in the mixie. So the salt required for the chicken also will be added at this stage. So let's rub it nicely into the chicken. So the chicken has been marinated. Let's let this sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour, or you can also marinate it overnight. Now I've got a pan heating up in medium high. I've added some coconut oil to it. Once it heats up, I'm adding some curry leaves and finely chopped onions. Now we'll saute the onions until they turn golden brown in color. Once they turn golden brown in color, it's time to add the chicken into this mixture. Now all that is left to be done is to saute the chicken for a few minutes and then let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. So I'm just giving it a nice toss. And then I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Make sure you stir it in between so that it doesn't catch to the bottom of the pan. So you can see it's dried up a little now. Let it cook a few minutes more. The oil has started oozing out. Now at this stage we'll do the next step. So let me just mix it up nicely. Now at this stage we're going to cover the pan and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So after cooking for 10 minutes, you can see that the chicken is nicely done and a little bit of the water from the chicken has also oozed out. So you can just give it a nice mix and then top it with some garam masala powder. And a little bit of black pepper powder just to give it that fresh taste. Mix this as well. Now we'll just top it with some chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix it well. And our chicken chukka is ready to be served. So if you're marinating this overnight, the only process is to just put it on the pan, brown the onions and cook it. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.